So when you apply position relative to an element with a different position property values like top, left, bottom, or right, there are four things will happen. First thing is, the element will move starting from its original position. If we have applied top property, the element will move from top to bottom. If we have applied left property, the element will move from left to right. If we have applied bottom property, the element will move from bottom to top. If we have applied right property, the element will move from right to left. And the moving distance is equal to the value we have specified on the top, left, bottom, or right. The second thing is, the original space that is used by the element will remain. The third thing is, when we apply position relative to an element, it will create a new stacking context and place the element inside the new stacking context. This means it creates a new view layer on top of the current document flow. The stacking context looks like this. So this is the current document flow, and this is the new view layer. The last thing is, when the element moves to its new position, it will not affect other elements' position.